think the market's crashing. Let's talk about it on the next Req Lab. Welcome to the Req Lab. Today we'll be discussing the market crash and things you can do to survive the bear market. Alright, so Bitcoin's been around 20,208 as of the time of this recording. Ethereum is coming in at, where are you at, ETH? 1,078, down 0.80. Bitcoin's down 1% at the time of this recording. So the market's definitely crashing. You know, we could expect a few relief rallies here and there, a few small pumps up and down, but we're definitely in a bear market. You know, everybody's going to have to hold on tight. Get your knowledge up right now. Now's the time to research, you know, look deep into these projects. Definitely take your time before you make any sudden moves. So yeah, we're going to be in this bear market for a while. The experts are saying maybe a year, maybe a little bit less, until the time of the Bitcoin halving. At times like these, we recommend just researching, looking for new projects. But definitely if you are going to invest, just stick to Ethereum and Bitcoin at this time. It's sort of dangerous to jump into any altcoins or anything of that nature. So yeah, let's stay safe out there. Let's not make any rash decisions. Definitely do your own research. DYOR, as they say. Let's go ahead and go to Crypto for Beginners. Welcome back to the Req Lab. Welcome to the bear market, where we will experience heavy turbulence in the market. Very low highs and very high lows. Experts are predicting small relief rallies and very small pumps up and down. So buckle up your seatbelts, because this bear market is going to last for a while. What a great time to pick up a little ditty like this on Amazon. Crypto for Beginners. A quick guide to getting up to speed and how you can make substantial money during the next bull run, by Brian Lenz. I'm actually going to be interviewing Brian next week, so make sure you tune into the Req Lab. It's going to be a great episode, very informative. He's very knowledgeable on these things. Very good friend of mine and my business partner here at Req Lab. So make sure you tune in. I'm Req Lab Ray, and this has been an announcement. Have a great week and stay out of the market.